So I've got myself an idea. I want something cherry wonderful. Oh. Let's grab ourselves some ingredients. Cherry vodka, Luxardo Maraschino, lemon lime soda. Whoops. And some sweet white wine. This one's a Riesling. More like my Riesling to live. We're gonna stir this one. Keep it chilly. 1 ounce of cherry vodka. 1 ounce of lemon lime soda. Half an ounce of Maraschino by Luxardo. 2 ounces of Riesling. Stir it until it's cold. Not until you're cold. Until the drink's cold. Get a champagne flute, because you're fancy. Strain out the mixture. Whoops. Make a tiny mess along the way. You've earned it. Top with some club soda. Throw a cherry or 2 in there. 1 for me. 2 for me. I call this one Mr. Cherry. You know, like, Mr. Cherry, bring me a cherry. Boom, 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 boom. Make it the cutest pair of berries. Give it a sip. It's sweet, slightly tart, nicely rounded with the maraschino. Loving the angle that the Riesling gives to it. Got hints of like pear, stone fruit, and cherry. I imagine enjoying this on the top floor of a 57-story building, comfortably inside, wind blowing through my hair. I don't know. Take this and enjoy it. You've definitely earned it.